Hello guys, sama kayo no? Sunday Liza Beach and it's raining. Okay lang mabasa, ang problema mahirap mag-ihaw pag umuulan. Lots of people. May beach cleanup yata eh. Naka-pink sila oh. Sino? Okay guys, we're the first ones here and we chose this spot, second porta potty. And yeah, the nearest neighbor is on the left side. Okay, so this side. So I think this is a good spot. Done. Alright. I learned my lesson there, so I just bought buckets to hold the canopy. No more tie downs. That's AJ's job. Okay, we're starting the grill. Hi guys, there's police roving around as they're checking if you brought glass bottles on the beach. Like last time, you know, one of my friends here, one of my wife's friend brought a glass bottle and they confiscated it. Hi guys, I'm just gonna update you. Our food situation, mushrooms, mangoes, barbecue, sushi.
Tapos ang katapat mo yung blue na canopy.
Basta mag-drive siya sa left, hindi na miss eh.
Basta mag-drive sa left.
To the left, to the left.
Mag-turn left.
Patikim. Nasaan titingnan ko?
Yan, ito.
Hindi na binawasan mo na.
Yan.
Ito?
Binawa. Tingnan kong barbecue. Yan. Kailang.
Oh, grab your food. Yeah, the plate's over there. The plate's over there. Come on. Hello guys, greetings from, where are we? Surfside Beach, Texas. Okay. Beach kami. Kasi mga katrabaho ni Mrs. nag-outing. Pero maganda rin mag-beach ngayon kasi minsan pagka ulan ng ulan, hanapin mo rin yung araw eh. Ngayon, di naman ganun ka init, no? Makulimlim lang. Kanina umaga nga, dumating kami dito, umuulan eh. Diba? Yung nakakatuwa yung mga aso namin eh. Parang gusto nila sumama. Hindi parang gusto talaga nila sumama. Parang alam nila na pupunta kami sa beach. No? Nakikiusap eh, muungot-ungot, ungol-ungol na parang gusto sumama eh. Lalo na si Rocky. Nakakamiss tuloy. Yung mga aso. Kasi hindi pwede kasi may mga katrabaho si Mrs. May mga tao. Kung kami lang, sasama namin yung mga ito yung Surfside Beach, Texas. Happy Sunday everyone. What the heck? The bee. Scary. Never good. Never good. More food. Tayo, kita mo. Okay guys, back up. Sharon na, Sharon.
Nagsiasyarap sa palengke. Tinatakal to eh. Ay, lamig dyan. Nakain ba dyan rin mo? Init na.
Bye bye, bye bye.
Pasok kayo ah. Siyempre. Ano yung tubig mo? Ay, ito. Kanino to? Nagising ka oh.
Bye guys, on our way home. So trash in the bins. Leave no trace. Hey guys, bye.